Welcome to this step-by-step video on how to completely uninstall Copilot from Windows 11. If you have been using Copilot and want to remove it for any reason, whether it's because it's not meeting your needs or you're just looking to clean up your system, you're in the right place. In this video, I will walk you through the entire process of uninstalling Copilot from your Windows 11 PC. Let's start by making sure that Copilot is actually installed on your system. To check, you can open the Start menu and type Copilot. If you see it listed as an installed app, it's present, but if you don't see it there, it's possible it's already been removed or wasn't installed in the first place. If you do see it, let's move on to the uninstallation process. The first step is to open Settings. You can do this by pressing the Windows key, typing Settings, then selecting it from the list. Once you're in Settings, navigate to the Apps section on the left-hand side and click on it to open the App Management settings. In the Apps section, click on Installed Apps. This will show you a list of all the apps currently installed on your system. Here you will need to search for Copilot in the search bar at the top. If you find it, you will see it listed in the search results. Once you have located Copilot, click on the three dots next to it and select Uninstall. This will trigger the uninstallation process, and Windows will ask you to confirm that you want to uninstall the app. Go ahead and click Uninstall again to proceed. The system will now begin removing Copilot from your PC. Now, if you have uninstalled it through settings and it's gone, that should be it. But in some cases, there might still be residual files or settings left behind. To ensure that Copilot is completely removed from your system, we can go a little further. Let's look at your AppData folders. To do this, press the Windows key and R to open the Run dialog. Type %appdata% and hit Enter. This will take you to the roaming folder in AppData. Once you're there, look for any folders related to Copilot and delete them if you find any. After that, go back to the Run dialog again and type %local appdata%. Again, check for any residual Copilot folders and delete them, and that's it. You have now successfully uninstalled Copilot from your Windows 11 system. If you followed all the steps, it should be completely gone without leaving any traces behind. If you run into any issues or have questions about anything I have covered in this video, feel free to drop a comment below and I will be happy to help. If you found this guide useful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.